If Opera GX keeps launching when you turn on your computer, this is the correct way to disable it directly inside the browser settings. Let's fix it step by step. First, open Opera GX, then open Settings, or just press Alt plus P on your keyboard to open Settings instantly. Now scroll until you find the section called On Startup. This is the exact menu that controls how Opera GX behaves when your PC starts. You will see several options here. Begin fresh with Start Page, retain tabs from previous session, open a specific page or set of pages. These control what happens when Opera opens, not whether it starts with Windows. Now the important setting is at the bottom, Run when my computer starts. This is the switch that actually makes Opera GX launch when you turn on your PC. Turn this off. Once this is disabled, Opera GX will no longer auto-start with Windows. Next, you can also adjust startup behavior. If you want Opera GX to always start clean, select Begin Fresh with Start Page. If you don't want old tabs reopening every time, avoid Retain tabs from previous session. So the only critical toggle is Run when my computer starts. That is the main fix. Once you turn that off, Opera GX will only open when you manually click it. It will not run automatically when your PC boots, and that's it. Clean, simple, and fully fixed from inside Opera GX itself.